career, what are the things you have to take into consideration before going for legal practice? Even when I was student, or even my teachers when they were students, and even today's student, they do not know where to go, how to go, and what to do in this legal profession. It's a profession where everyone is at the crossroads and want to dream high, want to become rich in a day, want to see that he is the successful lawyer in short time. Take into consideration all this, I requested Lordship to have an interactive session with the law students so that the Lordship can guide the students as to what they have to prepare before coming to legal profession. Because legal profession demands a lot of dedication, a lot of honesty, lot of hard work, and a lot of knowledge of law. So this all is necessary for us to understand. So therefore the first session which we are organizing today is about the interactive session with the law students. In the second session, which will be immediately after this session at 11 o'clock, I request everybody sitting in the auditorium to be present for the same. We are going to have a legal discourse by the eminent speakers and lawyers, including the judge from the Bombay High Court, on live-in relationship in India, what the law says and what are the issues and challenges. This is organized by Sakal Foundation and Bharti Vidyapeeth New Law College, Pune. The third program which we will be having on the same day today itself, wherein we invited the teams from all over Maharashtra to participate in the debate competition on live-in relationship in India. So these three events will be happening today itself, simultaneously one after other. And I request everybody sitting here to please gain some knowledge on these topics and try to contribute in the development of law. Today's Lordship, Justice A.R. Joshi Sahab, is a classical example of how to go for a legal career and legal profession. It is always believed that legal profession is rosy for those in whose family somebody is a lawyer or somebody is a judge. But here is an example of a person who has nobody in the family who was a lawyer or a judge or anything relating to law. Whatever he said yesterday to me, that even to his known ancestors, nobody was anywhere near to ABCD of law. He is the first person who studied law from his family in the evening law college at Thane and then started practicing at Bombay and was appointed as a district judge in course of time today, as you know all, that he is elevated as the judge Bombay High Court and has given various landmark judgments. More formal introduction will be done in the next session when we are going to have Sakal Foundation legal discourse on live-in relationship in India. But having said that, all this is a classical example that from a middle class family you can become a high court judge. This is what the dreams of many of us, that we want to be successful in our life and we want to progress and we want to see that our family is happy. But for that you need a lot of patience, you need a lot of perseverance, you need a lot of knowledge of law. With these words, I once again welcome Honorable Justice A.R. Joshi Sahib, Judge Bombay High Court. With him we also have the dearest and the person who always has been friendly with Bharti Vidyapeeth University, and he has been a source of inspiration for millions of us, Honorable Dr. Suresh Chandraji Bhosle. He is the Member Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa. He was the former Chairman of the Maharashtra Bar Council and Goa. He was also the former Dean Faculty of Law of Pune University. I warmly welcome both the Lordship as well as Dr. Suresh Chandraji Bhosle on this occasion. Now, it is all said that a lawyer must know two things. One, where is the law rather than what the law is, and number two, he must be perfect on facts. I'll be just initiating a story and then I'll hand over the mic to Lordship to deliver a discourse interaction with the law students. How knowledge of fact is important. It's a humorous story. A father of a church was going in a car, and when he was driving the car towards the church, he saw a beautiful lady standing and she was looking for some lift. And he said that's a nice time to give lift to that lady. So the father had for little time some bad intention to give the lift to the beautiful lady. He stopped the car and I said, "Can I give you a lift?" The lady said, "Yes, why not? I am much secured in your custody." She sat in the car and the father drew the car, and when he was driving the car, his senses he could not control because of the glamorous face of the girl, and he was trying all the time to go near to the girl, and the girl was saying, "Father, do you remember 121 stanza at page number 41? Again the father was stopping for some time. Again, whenever there was a turn, he was going a little closer. Again she was saying the same, "Father, do you remember the stanza at page number so and so?" So father was confused. He was always thinking that he is doing something sin. Looking at a lady with the bad eyes, touching lady is a sin. He was thinking that direction, and then suddenly he could not do anything. By the time the place came where he was supposed to drop the lady, he dropped the lady and went to the church, opened the paragraph, saw that page number 41, stanza 121. It was written, "Follow me every day, come closer, you will feel heaven." But the father was wrong at the facts. He was good in the law, that touching a lady is a sin. So if you are good in the facts, you will definitely be a good lawyer. With these words, I once again take the opportunity